Test 1 2. Pastor, do you hear me on the air? Tell me if you hear me on the air. Tell me if you hear me on the air, Pastor. We're having some issues, y'all. I do apologize. I don't know what in the world is going on. I don't have no clue what's going on with this right here tonight. Hey, Pastor Carl, I'm listening to you. I just got your text. Do you hear that? I just got your text. I just got your text. Do you hear me say that? I just got your text, brother. I'm trying to see what's going on. Do you hear that? I just got your text. Your text. Amen. Amen, y'all. We trying. I don't know what's going on with this tonight. Wow. I can't believe this happening tonight. I don't know what's going on tonight. Oh, what's going on tonight? You can hear me talking. But we might just have to go, and hopefully this is crazy. I'm sorry, y'all. This is just, I don't know what's going on. Alright, well, let's see if we can roll with it. We're gonna see if we can roll with it. I don't know what's happening. I don't have no clue what's going on. Hey, man, Pastor Carl, you back on the line? Pastor Carl, you back on the line? Alright, we're trying to get this technical problem settled. Oh my goodness. Hey man, Pastor Carl, you back on the line, brother?
Yes, sir.
Alright, I'm hoping that we can at least record. It just don't sound like it's recording. I will have to do the whole computer. That's gonna take a long time. So
hey, Pastor, was you just talk about the Resurrection Sunday?
No,
Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't it, then, bro. I didn't hear nothing you said, then.
Oh, wow. Okay.
And it's on the topic too. It's on the topic. The topic tonight. So I'm on the right speaker for Wednesday night. But I heard you talk about Resurrection Sunday. I thought that was you. But if that wasn't you, then I don't know what's going on, bro.
I don't either. That was yesterday, Pastor.
Oh, okay, got you.
Yeah, that's what's going on. But it should be, everything should be off.
Because you got like 7 minutes on the one program where I heard you talking about we having technical difficulties, but then it's only 7 minutes recorded, like 7 minutes and 9 seconds.
Right. Man, this is.
I can only imagine.
And you know what, Pastor?
Can you only imagine?
You know what? Yeah, if I say I don't know what your schedule is now.
Can you stand in there? Can you only imagine?
That sounds better.
Let's do it tomorrow.
That sounds better.
Let's do it tomorrow.
Yes, sir. We can do it tomorrow at the same time.
Yeah, so just run the first and let everybody know that we ain't gonna do devil no more. We gonna come right back tomorrow.
All right.
Do this show.
Yeah, we're gonna do it because that's a great topic. Listen, I'm gonna work on the system here and see what's going on, and then we'll do it for tomorrow.
Okay, all right, Pastor, keep me posted.
All right, God bless y'all. Y'all tune back in. Those that came in on the line tonight, we do apologize. We want to be able to have this broadcast to go out, and right now it's not going out. So again, let's pray for the show and meet us back here on Thursday night at 9 o'clock. We're gonna hit it then, okay? Amen. I pray that everyone have a blessed night. Pastor, I'll get with you later on, and make sure that everything is fine.
I could only imagine to be surrounded